Hi guys, just a quick video here. I'm not out on a walk or anything like that. It's actually an unboxing. I've been sent a parcel by one of my subscribers, Mr. Wayne Fox. So it's arrived, Wayne, and I'm gonna open this on camera because I really want to share this moment with you. So without further ado, let's get it open. What's in the box? Right, so here we go. Alright, so he sent me a little letter, so let's have a read of this. Jim, please find enclosed a Lynx number 2 by Robert Radcliffe. Oh my god. I remember watching your Edale YouTube film where you didn't get the chance to buy a raw knife. Hope you like this one as it's now yours. There's a video on Ra's YouTube channel of him making this knife and he gives details of what it's made of. Thanks for all the entertaining videos. Lynx number 2, flipping heck. Guys, I'm going to need a minute. Well, what can I say? Wayne, you are a legend. I'm shaking. So that is a raw knife, a Robert Radcliffe handmade knife, worth hundreds of pounds. Wayne, I don't feel worthy, mate, I really don't feel worthy. This is an exceptional gift, a unique gift. It's been on my wish list for years. I met Mr. Robert Radcliffe a couple of years ago at the Edale Bushcraft Conference, as Wayne mentions in the letter. This is the knife I bought on the day. Bought this knife back then. Big old chunky rascal. Chop a tree down with that. It's not a Robert Radcliffe, because I just simply couldn't afford one of these, and Robert's stock at the time was limited. And I did a video on this knife back then. It's on the channel. Now Wayne obviously remembers that video, and he knew Wayne knew that this would just blow me away, and it has, mate. What can I say? An absolutely beautiful gift. Look at that. This is Robert's logo. That's the number 2. A Lynx 2. I remember Robert making this. I watched his video. If you get a chance, guys, go over to Raw Knives channel on YouTube, you'll see this knife being made. Robert's leatherwork is exceptional, beautiful. What a piece of kit. Thank you very much, Wayne. Thank you very much. The Edale show, it's on Bank Holiday weekend in May. I will be there. I want to thank you, Wayne. I hope you can make it, mate. I'd love to meet you. I'd love to thank you in person for this. And to meet Mr. Robert Radcliffe again as well. What a beautiful thing. Absolutely beautiful thing. I've got a raw knife. I can't tell you how pleased I am with that, Wayne. You've blown me away. Absolutely blown me away, mate. A simple act of kindness. That's the thing. That's the thing here. It's not receiving the knife. It's not having the knife now in my possession. I am now an owner of a raw knife, which I'm buzzing about unbelievably. It's that act of kindness. It's that thought process. The art of giving. What a wonderful thing that is. Wayne, you are a gentleman. An absolute star. I'm going to treasure this. This is going to feature in some of my videos as well. I don't want to go on too much, guys, but what do you think of that? That's blown me away. I might need another minute. And Mr. Robert Radcliffe, you, sir, are an artist. An unbelievable artist. Because although this has got a functional purpose, it's a bushcraft knife and it's designed to be used and it's robust and it'll last a lifetime. It's just a wonderful piece of creation. Beautiful artwork. I'd like to see you both at the Edale show, where I can show this off. Okay guys, so I wanted to share that moment with you. And thank Wayne again. Thank you very much, Wayne.